Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting unboxing with Rampant Games. My name is Dave, and today we're going to be taking a look at Shadowrun Sprawl by Catalyst Lab Games. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So we got your rule book. Breaks down pretty much what you need to know. A lot of text in this one. Good pictures. 32 pages. Got a little bit of a player reference on the back. And we've got all your tokens. And then of course your player standees. Ooh. Looks like we have a foil board here. I'm going to actually bust this out. Yes, I'm busting it out off camera. That's okay. I will sing while I do this. La 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 la. Alright, that was enough of that. Okay. Alright. So it looks like, yeah, they foiled the entire board, which definitely gives this a very cool look. And we got Shadowrun Sprawl Ops Seattle, which I wonder if that means there's going to be other expansions, which will be other places, which would be interesting. Nothing on the other side, just a blackboard. And we got, well, it looks like a points tracker. Nothing special to see there. Let's see, we got, looks like player shields. So you put them in front of you, it looks like would be my guess. We got 4 of those. This, I believe, be the different missions. So you gotta hit a convoy, steal a shuttle, kidnap a clone, access some hosts, and rescue a ritual sacrifice. Creepy. Let's take a look at the cards. Alright. Okay. So, got some cards here with different art on them, different fragmentation grenades, tailored pheromones, because of course this is all about cyberpunk era stuff. You got your Ares Roadmaster pistol. And then we got, looks like probably some skills. This one's Arctos. Not sure what that does. Cool. And then we have, let's see here. I would assume these are some different, nope, not even going to guess. Other than it looks like they could be possibly missions and what you get for doing the missions, which is what I thought the other part of it was, but maybe not. Oh, these are probably goals. Yes, that's what those are, probably goals. And then of course, it wouldn't be a board game without dice. And we got custom dice. Looks like so we got some blank faces on some of the dice. So yeah, that's it. Once again, that was Shadowrun Sprawl by Catalyst Lab Games. Don't forget to tune in next week as we have a very special guest, and we'll be unboxing Edge of Darkness by AEG. Now remember folks, the rules are just a suggestion. Play the game how you want to play it. See you next time.